Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Let's see how to do it. First of all, open your Twitter app. Tap on profile icon in the corner. Tap on settings and support, settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and safety. Tap on content you see. Tap on sensitive media. And here you can see three options: graphic violation, adult content and others. Turn off all option. Tap on never show this. Go back to previous page and tap on adult content, never show this. Again go back, others option and never show this and go back. By this way you can easily turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Thank you so much everyone. Stay subscribed for more updates.